This is my favorite phone. And this is my favorite song. Is it possible to set this song as a custom notification alert or a custom ringtone for my phone? Yes, it is. Hi, I'm Zach. Today, I'll show you how to set an MP3 file as custom notification alert or custom ringtone for your Samsung Galaxy S3 GT i9-300, running stock TouchWiz with Android 4.1.2 Jelly Bean. This procedure works on stock ROMs, so you won't need root privileges or a custom ROM. The steps may be entirely different if your phone is running a custom ROM. All you need for this procedure are just your phone and your MP3 music files. Copy or save the MP3 files to your phone. There are many ways to do this, but those aren't covered in this guide. Make sure that the MP3 music player app sees your MP3 music files. Everything ready? Let's see some custom ringtones. How do you set an MP3 music file as your custom ringtone? This is very easy. Open the settings page, select sound, then go to the device ringtone section. If you have other file manager apps, such as ES File Manager, the phone will ask you to select which app to use. Just use the stock media storage app. Then, you'll see a list of default ringtones. It looks like this. Tap the Add button to add a custom ringtone. If you have several apps that can perform this action, they will be shown to you at this point. Just choose the stock music player app. You'll see a list of all music files that you can add to the list of ringtones. Tap on one to select and preview it, then tap Done at the top right to confirm your selection. Ta-da! My favorite song is now my custom ringtone. The new ringtone's name will also be added to my phone's ringtone list. You can repeat the same process if you want to add more titles to your ringtone list. Another way to add and set a custom ringtone is through the stock music player app. While playing music, tap the menu button, then tap the Set As option and choose what sound type to set the current music as. You can set the currently playing sound as the default phone ringtone, custom ringtone for a specific contact, or as default alarm tone. You can also assign an MP3 ringtone as a custom ringtone for a specific contact. The easiest way to do this is to open the Contacts app. From there, open the info page of the contact that you want to edit. Scroll down to the ringtone section and tap on the current ringtone name. You'll see a pop-up dialog. Select Default to use the default ringtone assigned to everybody else. Select Ringtones to be directed to the list of ringtones and select one from there. Or select My Files to open the default file manager so that you can select which sound file to use. As an example, I'll manually hunt for the MP3 file using the My Files app. Here it is. Tap the radio button beside the file name to select it, then tap Done to confirm. There! It's now the ringtone assigned to this particular contact. You can also set custom notification tones. These need manual setup, unlike custom ringtones, but it's not a Herculean task either. Here's how to set custom notification sounds. Using a file manager app such as the My Files app, open the SD card 0 directory. You should see a subdirectory called Notifications inside. If the Notifications subdirectory does not exist, create it first. Then copy your MP3 files into it. In my case, my phone doesn't have this directory yet, so I'll have to create it. Then I need to copy my MP3 files into the subdirectory. When scanning for media files, the Galaxy S3 also looks for MP3 files inside the notifications subdirectory. So if you copy MP3 files into it, they'll be detected. Let's check whether our MP3 files are detected. Open the settings page, select sound, and tap on default notifications. Is my MP3 file there? Yep, here it is. I'll choose my custom notification now. There. Another way to set an MP3 file as a custom notification sound or custom ringtone is to use an Android app for that purpose. There are several of such apps on the Play Store. My personal favorite is the Ringtone Maker app. This app can make it easy for you to select custom notifications or custom ringtones. Plus, it gives you the added bonus of being able to edit your MP3 files. For example, if you want to use only a portion of a music track as a custom ringtone, this app will let you do it in a heartbeat. Let me show you how to trim a long MP3 track. First, launch the Ringtone Maker app. You'll see a list of all the soundtracks that the app can let you edit. Tap the green button to the right of the soundtrack that you want to edit. A list of options will pop up. Tap on Edit. You'll see a screen like this. Since you want to trim this long track into a short clip, you only need to be concerned with these sliders. Define a clip region by using these sliders. Whatever is within this highlighted region will be saved after trimming. There are other simple music editing features here too, such as fade effects and volume level adjustment. After making the changes to your soundtrack, tap this button to save your file. The file type you choose will determine where your file will be saved. So if you save it as a notification, it will be saved among the other notification sound files and will be listed in the notification sound selection dialog. After saving, you'll have an opportunity to make the new sound clip the default sound. For now, let's do nothing and just close this dialog. Let's see whether a new file is now listed under the notification sound options. Here it is. I can now use this new sound clip as my custom notification sound. Let's try it. Awesome! I now have a custom notification sound. Samsung's TouchWiz user experience makes customization easy on a Samsung Galaxy S3 GT i9-300. In this video, I showed you some of the ways to set custom MP3 ringtones and notification tones on your phone. I hope you find the video helpful. For more Android guides, news, and reviews, visit AndroidAuthority.com. I'm Zach. Happy customizing, and remember, the power of Android is yours.